we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So we're checking out the Breville Barista Touch Espresso Machine today. The damson blue color looks amazing, right?
It does. But I'm here to talk about the Jura Z10 Diamond White. I've heard it redefines coffee experience, so I'm excited to see how these two stack up.
Let's dive right in. Okay, the Breville Barista Touch is all about approachability. It's got that touchscreen that simplifies making coffee in 3 steps. Grind, brew, and milk. Perfect for beginners, I think.
The Jura also has a touchscreen, but it boasts optional artificial intelligence and Wi-Fi connectivity for use with their JOE app, so you can control it from your phone. Is that a bit much or super convenient?
I can see the appeal. The Breville lets you adjust milk temperature and texture with its auto steam wand, barista quality microphone. Here I come. It heats up in 3 seconds with the thermojet system. How fast is the Jura?
Jura doesn't specify a heat-up time, but they focus on what it can do. It focuses on versatility. It can do hot and cold brew, and they say it has 32 specialty coffee options. Everything from a classic espresso to a trendy cold brew.
Wow, 32? That's a lot. The Breville lets you save 8 personalized coffee settings, which is still pretty good for different family members. And it's currently on sale for $799, down from $999.95. What's the damage on the Jura?
Brace yourself. The Jura Z10 is sitting at $3,899, so a significant investment. But here's something unique. The Jura has a product-recognizing grinder that adjusts the grind based on the coffee you choose. Apparently, it adjusts in a fraction of a second.
The Breville has a precision conical burr grinder too, and claims to deliver the right amount of coffee on demand to maximize flavor. So both have integrated grinders, but the Jura sounds a bit smarter.
Exactly. The Jura uses what they call pulse extraction process and cold extraction process. They say it optimizes extraction for each drink.
The Breville also has digital temperature control, PID, for optimal espresso extraction. It also has low pressure, pre-infusion to evenly draw out flavors.
I see the Jura lets you customize, duplicate, rename, and reposition your coffee favorites. Kind of like creating your own coffee shop menu.
Yeah, the Breville has adjustable grind control and programmable milk temperature and texture. You can really dial in your perfect latte.
One thing to note is that the Jura weighs 27 pounds, whereas the Breville weighs a little less, around 21.8 pounds. So, the Jura is a bit more substantial.
So it really comes down to what you're looking for in an espresso machine.
Do you want simplicity and speed with a good level of customization at a more accessible price point? Or are you willing to splurge for ultimate customization, AI features, and a wider range of coffee options?
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.